right. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Today is a beautiful, beautiful day. And so let's go first to the website. And we can go to metalminds.com or just go to Forex Factory. This is how to look up Forex information. And what we do is we go right here, hover over Forex Factory, go to metals. Okay, we could also look at Bitcoin right here. We could look at gold right here. Or we can kind of figure out some different stock stuff for the US 30. So today we're going to look at how to look at the currency strength for gold. So gold, here it is. And gold plunges to fresh 2022 low, below $1,770. That's just tapping 12 hours ago. Gold came under heavy selling pressure in the second half of the day on Tuesday and touched its lowest level since late 2021, below 1,770. The precious metal is having a time demand despite the risk adverse market environment. The dollar seems to be capitalizing on safe haven flows with the US dollar index trading. Let's see. Trading at its strongest level in nearly 2 decades above 106.5. In the meantime, the S&P 500 index is down nearly 2% following the 3-day weekend, and the U.S. investors continue to stay away from risk-sensitive assets amid growing recession fears and the Federal Reserve's willingness. And we can read a little bit more, but this is from fxstreet.com. I love reading from that website. I read there a lot. Let's go back and let's look at some other things here. Mass testing fuel. Gold sinks to 9. That's what we already read. Let's see. It's another gold. So let's read a couple of these things on gold. Oh, this is a video. Gold price tanks 2% as Fed may be near. So a lot of people like to watch videos. You guys can watch this video. I don't really like watching videos like this. It's kind of like watching the news, which I don't do. So I like to read the news, and I like to, because I feel like if you read it, it gives you more information for some reason. I know news to me and videos, they have a lot of entertainment value. So they kind of like fluff out stuff. Okay, gold price forecast. This is the gold market. Bears taking on deeper territory as greenback surges to fresh cycle highs. Greenbacks are the dollars. At 1767, the price of gold is down on the day by some 2.2 after falling from a high of 1812 to a low of 1763. The previous metal has been underwater for the start of July due to a rebound in the US dollar and has collapsed to a lower level since earlier December, while the greenback takes off to a fresh 20-year high. Global equities have been under pressure due to exchanges. So what is this telling us? That gold is having some problems. The dollar's trying to do better. Technicals driving gold right now. Last week, gold retested major support around 1780 reasons. However, sellers were unable to push. So sellers are unable to push. There's a support at 1780, and it shouldn't be going past that, but it is. So right now we're below 1780, but there is a strong support there. So, you know, you can see that it will flounder around. Let's see where 180 is. So 780 is right here. It shot through that support. Boom. Now we're in this little area right here. And it could be going back down. It looks like it's going down. If you look up here, it's at 1820. I mean, it's just continually to fall. It kind of went up just a little bit, but it was still underneath this high. And then it consolidated and then it fell again. Now it's consolidating. So it might do another, like a little bit up and then fall back down. That's what the hour is looking like. Let's look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hours shows a better picture. The 4 hours shows us that it's really just in a state of falling. 1, 2 candles, 3 candles up, fall again lower, couple candles up, fall lower, couple big. But these big candles, you don't want to get caught in these big candles going up. You guys see them over and over again. This is another big candle going up, even though a wick. Then you got these 2 candles. It could have been one if they were in the same 4-hour time frame, but this is 8 hours for 2. And this one right here, 4 hours, it went down 4 hours. Wow. So this is gold. So this is how you're going to read it. Now the scanners are more important. And you can see in the last 6 hours what it's been doing. It's been going up. But when we look at the overall, do we want it to basically trade to go down? Well, it's in a super trend for hours going down, but right now it's like breathing going up. So we'd have to look at the bot and see what it tells us. The net change in the last 6 hours is it went up $7. Anytime you see green, that means up. So it did go up $7, but in the 24-hour cycle, it went down 2%. So it went up $7, but going down 2% of 1,771 is pretty major. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else? 3 reasons gold could shine. So gold could shine, and that's what happened 2 weeks ago. It went down really fast and went right back up. So let's see if this is what's happening. So with the dollar surging, gold hit a 6-month low, falling 1.9 to this. By contrast, the Bloomberg dollar spot index climbed 1.1 as other precious metals, including silver and platinum, saw drops. Dollar strength is largely being driven by recession concerns as investors worried about a continued economic slump brought about by the Federal Reserve rate hikes retreated into the greenback. A drop in the value of the euro also aided the dollar. Despite this setback, gold remains an ideal safe haven investment for investors seeking a safe haven. Here are 3 reasons why the long-term prognosis, let's see. 3 reasons. So what are the 3 reasons? Nobody knows how to effectively fight inflation. Gold's long-term prognosis is stellar. Gold's historic strength is in a late innings. So those are the 3 things that basically know why gold's going to come back up. I was taking gold down for a long trade, but it's going to pop back up. We know that. So get your cash out. Here we go right here. This is Tuesday. This is a different time frame. You see everything's in the morning. And is there anything we're concerned about? Cash rate right here. Let's see this one. This might be a little concern. Interest rate charged on overnight loans between financial. All right, interest rates. Okay, at this meeting today, board decided to increase the cash rate target. Boom, boom, boom. Not worried about that. Okay, well, that's how you look at gold. And if you guys want to know anything else about gold, you could just click on it, and view the different things on it. And you could look at the scanner right here. This is 6 hours. You could change it to a day candles, month candles, 4-hour candles, 1-hour candles, 1-hour candles, 5-minute candles, and 1-minute candles. So these are the candles that you're going to be looking at when you're dealing with gold. We're more concerned about the 5-hour candles. The 5-hour candles, gold's going up, right? But on the super trend part of it, the 1 hour is going down. On the 4 hours, it's going down. And that's important to us when we're trading a long-term trade. Now, when we're trading a short trade, like right now, if we just want to jump in and do a trade that we'll be in for like a couple minutes, it looks like the best trade is going up, right? But we see that if we're taking a long trade and we want to stay in there and make a lot of money, you would want to be on the trade going down. Okay. So that's gold, and how you look it up. Remember, it's this metal mine. You can go to metalmine.com, or you can go to forexfactory.com, and you could pick that up. Very, very simple. And you want to read this stuff throughout the day, so then you kind of understand which way is gold going. Now, the indicators, the bounce strategy, and the indicators that we use, those are called technical indicators. This is called fundamental indicators. These are all fun. The news cycle, what's really happening in the world, is fundamental analysis. And then there's the other analysis that we do, and that's the indicator analysis. So we have to know the two difference from that. Okay. Let me go ahead and stop that video. You guys gonna